We're trying our best. Okay.
What's up, foodies, and welcome back to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Hi, today we're making Snicker Doodles because when you're gaming, sometimes you want to have a sweet treat. Snicker Doodle cookie. I don't know why I want to say cupcakes. We should make cupcakes. Anyways, let's go to the recipe that Tyro wrote down on a piece of paper.
I sure did.
I don't know if we'll have seen a piece of paper before, but you would use this for everything.
Going old school.
I don't know why I'm so sarky today. All right.
So, the ingredients are 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 cup of butter, softened, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cream tartar, right, and then...
Cream of tartar.
Yep, that's what I meant to say. 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In this bowl right here, we have 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon. We got this recipe from Tasty. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I mean, 375. I cannot read today.
You wrote it. You wrote it.
Listen! I have no excuse. We're gonna mix the sugar. Oh, we already did that. We're gonna whip the butter and vanilla until fluffy.
Alright, I was gonna hand whisk it, but then I decided that was dumb, and I don't want to break out my stand mixer because it's clunky. It takes up too much space. At least I can read what I write.
At least I'm not the only one today.
We're friends. We're having a good time. I know it doesn't seem like it, but okay. It's okay if you do a little extra, not to be specific. Okay, but also really follow the recipe, because if you don't, then you're gonna ruin your stuff. Baking's not really I'm just gonna wing it type of thing, but a little extra splash isn't gonna hurt. I mean, it's whipped together. All right, what's next?
I'll do 1 cup. Oh. Okay.
That's what I used to sugar in.
I didn't spill.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did, because clearly you did, because you wouldn't go, I didn't
I don't
spill.
see nothing. I don't even see
That you
nothing.
just wiped on the floor. You just wiped it on the floor. I saw you.
Sure did. Y'all didn't see nothing, so.
Whatever, Anthony, you better put that in the video.
And brown sugar. 1/3 cup.
All right, 1 cup of sugar. And now or later?
Now.
You know, I got these wonderful things called kitchen scissors.
Oh, I didn't know that was a thing. We'll struggle in peace.
Okay.
Okay, 1/3 of brown sugar. And then goes 2 eggs. Now we need a sift.
Sift what?
Flour, cream of tartar, cinnamon, all the rest of the dry ingredients, pretty much.
Okay. All right, so fun fact. If you don't have a sift, you're just gonna use this. I know it's a strainer. I don't know why I was so snarky.
Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
Well, I know some people are like, oh, that's not a sift. I understand. But when you are struggle busing or you just do not have, you make do. How many?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yep. Whew.
And it works the same as a sift.
Cream of tartar.
Am I supposed to sift this in all at once? Am I supposed to be mixing this at the same time?
I mean, sifting it in.
Okay. Well, then I'm just going to do it in a very hurriedly way because...
Hurriedly?
Hurriedly! I feel like that might not be correct.
Dang.
I honestly feel like could have just put it in.
Look at that.
You can put the other ingredients in here. Ugh. I did not spill this. It came off of the thing, so it doesn't count.
Sure.
You know what? You spilled sugar.
I didn't spill shit.
You spilled
I mean,
sugar.
sorry.
YouTube doesn't like it when you curse.
I didn't spill anything. Oh, shit.
I guess we don't need this no more. We just don't need that no more. We don't need that no more.
Oh man.
How many?
2 of this.
Okay.
2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Baking soda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how much cinnamon do we need to put in here?
2 teaspoons.
Have me sift all that damn flour. I'm sorry, darn. Oh, YouTube. YouTube, these children are going to hear it eventually. And I don't know marking this channel for children.
I think that's it.
And we're adults.
We are.
We have children.
I don't think that's what makes us
Oh my god.
adults.
So the other day, this is a funny story. Don't worry, you guys can hear about it too. So I had to clean up the floor. So I like mopped the floor. Now Marceline has been told multiple times, do not run in this house. Don't run in the house. What does she do? She comes, throws something away, gets something. I don't remember what she did. She's running, and then she slips and slides. We have a little cart off to the side. You can't see it, and you'll never see it. She slides into the cart. She goes, "I'm okay."
Ocean did that same thing the other day when my mom was walking to the forest.
I was like, little girl.
I just never listened.
And like there was another time where she was walking up the stairs. This little girl slipped over nothing. And she goes, "I'm okay." And I'm like, "Baby, I'm glad you're okay, but I never have to push." Sometimes I'm like, "Oh, I don't see me and her at all." And then she does something like, you know, trip over nothing, run into the wall. Oh, there I am.
Spill something.
You know what? Okay, you're gonna want to turn your mixer up on like a high setting. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to mix it all together. I'm going to call this mixed because I cannot mix it anymore.
You roll them into little balls, then roll them into the sugar, and then place them on parchment paper.
Alright, I'm just cleaning these off.
Should we have flour on our hands? Is it sticky?
It's not sticky.
Okay.
It's not sticky for real.
Sticky for real.
I'll let you go ahead and get started. I gotta wash my hands.
Because we're not grungy. Okay. It's not that sticky.
I made salsa earlier. It was delicious.
And roll it in the sugar. Oh, that's gonna be a big cookie.
I mean, yes, daddy.
Listen. Okay, we'll break her up a little bit.
Here, I'll form the balls and then you roll around them. I don't want it to be known. I talk to almost all of my friends that way. Like, if I start off really cordial and polite with you, I probably don't like it. Well, actually, no, that's not true. I'm like, alright, so my sister. So she goes, "Hey Liz, you should move to Alaska." My sister lives in Alaska, fun fact. "Stop playing on my stairs!" And she goes, "You should move to Alaska." And then proceeds to immediately tell me about how they're having a for real blizzard and how it's like negative 12 degrees. Me. Yeah, so like, I might get a vacation home to visit you in the summer. So it's so pretty in the summer. Like, Alaska really is one of those places where it's like super pretty. You're like super into nature and stuff.
I have been once.
You have?
And I saw a moose just.
Oh yeah, that's a common day occurrence up over there.
Like, oh, look at that. Just walking across the street.
Moose are low-key really, really mean.
Low key?
Like, not even low-key. Like, they are not out of mind.
Oh.
Look, Kairos.
You owe me nothing.
Kairos, Phil. Should we get a different sheet? Because I feel like those are just gonna bake super close together.
Probably.
Okay. Well, why don't we just finish sugaring and then we can figure it out.
No space. I'm trying to create room, okay?
I got another cookie sheet out. Cookie sheet out. Oh, my sister was also telling me how she had made breakfast burritos. And then how her children pretty much ate all of the breakfast burritos as she was making them. So then she ended up only having like 6 breakfast burritos. She had made like 16 breakfast burritos. I know that one's fat. That one's also fat.
He's gonna need special spaces. Trying to get a decent amount of sugar.
Okay, I decided I'm making 4 more cookies. I have another business page on Facebook called Marceline's Cookies. Tell me why some of these people that have recently started messaging me, some of them feel like scammers, and others are like just like super impatient.
Mm-hmm.
Like, guys, I have a full-time job and a family and this other project. I'm so sorry. I will, if I can bake you something, I am happy to do so. But if I also, I told this one lady, I was like, oh, I would love to. She's like, oh, I'm in Jersey. Oh, sorry, I can't ship. She's like, well, how soon can you get it to me? Man, I'm in Arizona. No more snacks, but you guys can have a drink. What would you guys like? We have root beer, we have brisk, we have Dr. Pepper, vanilla Coke, cherry Pepsi, Sprite. We have a lot of options.
I was like, girl.
You guys both want a vanilla Coke? You can pet him later. He doesn't want to be pet right
I
now.
was like, girl, you live here.
For real. All right. So we're gonna put these in the oven for
10 to 15 minutes.
That says 10 to 12, but okay.
Does it? 10 to 12 minutes. I know what I wrote.
Do you? Because you couldn't even read that earlier.
Listen, I was testing you.
All right, so into the oven for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, so we went ahead and we pulled the Snickerdoodle cookies out. I honestly didn't know it looked enough like Snickerdoodle, so I'm adding extra cinnamon sugar on top. You don't have to do that, but you can if you want to. All right, we tried our best, okay, to make non-fatties, but it didn't work out that way.
Nice.
Oh, that was so perfect.
A little hot. Yeah.
Okay, well, we're just gonna wait for it to cool down for a second. Okay, these are like the perfect cookies because they're slightly underbaked, and that's the best kind. Okay, these are pretty good. Mm-hmm. Oh gosh, those are really good, actually. I mean,
here goes the thickums.
These are the thick boys. Yeah, why not? They'll get extra sugar also. I can already tell the bottoms of these are a little more done. Oh, that one's ugly. That one's okay.
That one's like perfectly round. Oh, that one's pretty good.
So I think what happened with these ones was that the sugar at the bottom toasty on some of them. But I mean, it's still good.
Yeah. All right. And there you have it, Snickerdoodle cookies.
Let us know if you make them and if you like them.
Yep. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, foodies.
Bye, guys.
Bye.